Ngikhuthaze.
Yo.
Ngikhuthaze.
Tshela undo.
Words of encouragement.
Tshela indole. Ngithi undo. Thank you ngizombona. Ngizopha iphepha.
Ngiyakwazi.
Phela ke ngixoxele isithando sakhe.
Corinthians 1 chapter 1
verse 9 of the New Testament. The New Testament is that it's not your assignment
yes
to understand, but
Yes.
one day you
Kota.
look back and go,
Kota 7
yeah,
7
yes,
Balokwe zinquma
yes,
zinquma
yes. Two things, and I'm going to be honest with you, ne? Two things. So in life, ne, kune lento abathi ijeni yakho wena you keep your eye on the prize, and your prize is who you are now and who you are going to be moving forward, right? So if you're given a choice, I was in university operating, but university ingakutshela one day ukuthi yazi bengikuphi option ukuthi ufuna ukuna 7 and be overly exposed and then it diminishes next year, or you want me to sustain you so that your aim is for your career to sustain, and so there's certain things that disturbs that sustainability, and sometimes they look like they enhance it and they don't for some certain people. Like there are people outside 40 the last time they performed was 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
Hush.
You understand? So you approve with awards are great because they boost it's a tab,
Well done.
right? But it's like, for instance, if you say you're doing this for fame, you've lost it. You must do it because you love it, because when fame dims, what's going to sustain your passion?
Yes
You understand? So as long as you don't lose your passion, it's all right. But also again, masisiba nobuntu, we want.
Yeah.
You must always be a great sport and go. Bonga abanye abantu abayi 4 or abayi 5, they are there for a reason, and they deserve it.
Honestly
You know,
speaking,
it's
yeah.
fine, they deserve it.
Isikhathi sabo
Yes,
clearly.
they deserve it. But also, it's like sometimes njengoba ngenza fashion mina, there are people who criticize me.
Bebabahle abantu bakho.
Ngiyabonga.
Hi, your family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. Batsari bomgosi ngathi akhambanga kahle lapha ko Metro Awards. This comes after the son of the legendary Nhlanhla from Mafikizolo and TK Ngciza walked away with 2 Metro Awards. Batsari bomgosi, one for being the best male artist of the year and the second one for being the best artist of the year, while Mzansi thinks that he does not deserve to be called the best artist of the year with just one song, which is Isakala Vuka. Well, people are saying that they do acknowledge the fact that his song was indeed a hit and it is a good song, but they're saying that Zinqumalo deserved to win the Artist of the Year song because she has been releasing songs back to back and she has been working on her brand for the rest of the year of 2025. For Caesar to just come and take the awards, they're saying it is nepotism, Batsari Bomgosi, that his father is behind it. As you saw in the video, Batsari Bomgosi, Somizi was trying her level best to comfort Zinqumalo and remind her that she is the best even though she did not win. Well, Zinqumalo was also interviewed on the Meg G podcast and she did state that she is not going to be nonchalant about this whole thing. She is hurt because the fact that she was asking people to vote for her, she did believe that she was going to win. But Genyazi, things did not go according to how she wished or planned. But what do you think? Do you really think that UTK bought these awards for his son, as people they are alleging that they were bought because UTK has money? Please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.